Ergonomic electric stacker, 1.5 ton capacity, 4.5 meter lift height, ride-on version. We have provided a footrest for the standalone. We have provided the side arm for the safety. In this model, we have introduced RFID card for the locking and unlocking. We have introduced a password protection system where you can insert the password and after that you can use. We have provided a slow speed version. In that, if you pressing this turtle, the speed of the movement will be slower one. We have provided a toggle switch, emergency forward switch. There is an emergency stop switch, on-off key switch, as well as battery discharge indication meter with hour meter. This equipment comes with the forklift mask, container mask. In container mask, where only forks will lift first and after that mast will lift. Manoj, lift karo. As you can see, the only fork, these forks are lifted and mast is not lifted. Now we press the upward button and then only mast will come out. So you can use this equipment in containers as well. Yeah. In a top height, we have provided a limit switch. As you can see, we have placed the 3 cylinder, 2 sidewise and 1 in center position. That's called a free lift. Down, you can move. Manoj, आगे ले दो. We can move on the top height as well. Back. Down. If you can see, we have used a solid fork and solid back. Whole the mechanism and whole the structure are solid, no hollow section. And for the mask, we have placed the eye mask, and that is also a forged. That's not a C mask, that's the eye mask. पूरा डाउन कर दो इसको.